3, 2, 1. Yes, parachute.
The rocket wasn't moving, therefore it was at rest, until the pressure of the water was released. After shot, the rocket slowly stopped going up because the force of gravity acted on it, and it was an unbalanced force. The force of the rocket going up and the acceleration at which it did was affected by the mass of the rocket. This is because if the rocket was too heavy, it would take more force to accelerate the object, but if the rocket was too light, it would have no mass to have to move, making the force small and the acceleration easier to be affected. While the rocket was going up, the force of gravity was working on it, pulling it towards the ground. The rocket was going up and gravity was going down, making them unbalanced forces because the bottle eventually came down. Gladly our parachute worked, but if we built another rocket, we would try and find ways to make the rocket go higher, like make it more aerodynamic. The height of our rocket was 43.75.
Yeah.